Hello friends, this is Kids Fun Learn Club. Welcome back to the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. For some reason Parikshet is not available today, and therefore I'll be continuing and will be drawing for myself and for Parikshet too. I hope you're enjoying the 6 minutes 100 days challenge, and do not forget to be or watch the video till the end, because we have the special shout out, and in this shout out it could be you who has been featured. So be there till the last end of the video, and let's get started with this episode number 22, cartoon sketch. What are we going to sketch today? Let's find it out. Let's start with the eyes of the cartoon. You need to guess what the cartoon is. Should I make something easy or something difficult for you? Let's try something a little difficult this time. Okay, so we start with the eyes. How do we make the eyes of the cartoon? We already saw this in one of the videos where we learned to draw the eyes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so does this look like the eyes? A little bit. Okay. 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 Yeah. The eyebrows. Can you make a guess? If yes, put it in the comments below. If not, no worries, let's continue. Okay, can you still make a guess? We have the ears. Okay. The body and the legs. Yeah, this and the legs. The other legs. Let me give you a hint of what the cartoon is. Does this look like Tom or Jerry? And the tail. Okay. Now what do we do? The next drawing would be of Jerry. It's gonna be difficult. Yeah. Once again, the eyes and the eyes would be like yeah. Okay, that's how. Now whose drawing is this? Can you make a guess? The big ears. Okay, that's the face. Does it look like Jerry's face or Tom's face? Tell me in the comments. Okay, let's continue with the drawing. The next will be the body and the hands. Okay, here goes the hands. That's holding the cheese cube. Okay, the stomach of the Jerry and the legs, which we won't be able to make, and the other hand that's holding the cheese cube. Okay, and Jerry's tail, the Jerry's nose that we missed, and the Jerry's. Okay, does this look like a Jerry yet? Okay, now it's time to do some shadings. Okay, while I do the shading, let's check out this video's shout out. See if you got featured in this video.
Big shout out and congratulations to both the YouTube profile and the Instagram profile. Thanks for supporting us. If you want to be featured too, share your drawings on Instagram stories and tag us at the Kids Fun Club.
Do not forget to share. So congratulations to who got featured, and I'm looking forward to you being featured. So do not forget to what Parikshet just asked in the video and make sure that you are doing the same. Well, this was episode number 22. I hope you loved this sketching, and if you did, do not forget to like and subscribe this channel, and I will see that Parikshet comes back again in tomorrow's challenge. Have a good day. Bye bye.